सो लॉन्ग का मतलब क्या है? लॉन्ग का मतलब है यू हैव अ बॉट पोजीशन, शॉर्ट का मतलब है यू हैव अ सोल्ड पोजीशन। कॉल का मतलब क्या है? यू हैव अ राइट टू बाय बट यू हैव नो ऑब्लिगेशन। पुट का मतलब क्या है? यू हैव अ राइट टू सेल एंड नो ऑब्लिगेशन। सो हाउ डू वी यूज द कॉल ऑप्शन or the put option? Let us understand with the help of an example. Now I'm interested in delving into, let's say, TCS. Now, my view is that TCS is doing well, and therefore the stock price of TCS should move up. Should move up. So, and I want to make profit on. I want to make profit by trading into TCS. So, what option do I have? The first option that I have is to purchase TCS share in the spot market. And let's say today TCS is trading at 3,000 rupees, and if I think that TCS is going to go up, that means I will need to invest my money into TCS. तो मैं TCS के 100 शेयर खरीदता हूँ, और इसका मतलब मुझे 3 लाख रुपए का TCS के शेयर्स में इन्वेस्टमेंट करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि TCS इज डूइंग वेल एंड आई विल बी एबल टू मेक प्रॉफिट बाय डेल्विंग इनटू TCS एज सच। तो मैंने क्या किया? मैंने ये TCS के 100 शेयर खरीद लिए 3,000 रुपये के हिसाब से, और 3 लाख रुपए से मेरा बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट हो गया। नाउ एज आई एक्सपेक्टेड, TCS really went up and TCS became 3,500. TCS became 3,500, and what I did, I sold these 3,500, the 100 shares that I had at the rate of 3,500, and I got 3,50,000, and that means I made a profit of 50,000 by purchasing shares of TCS. Now, so long as it happens this way, it's perfectly fine. But what if it happens the other way around? What does it mean? It means कि मैंने सोचा कि TCS का शेयर आज 3,000 रुपये का है, उसको खरीद लो क्योंकि वो ऊपर जाने वाला है, और मैंने वो 3,000 के हिसाब से 100 शेयर खरीद लिए। लेकिन दुर्भाग्य से मैंने सोचा था वो ऊपर जाएगा, लेकिन वो ऊपर जाने के बजाय वो नीचे आ गया, and it came down to 2,500, and that means my investment of 300,000 in TCS became 2,50,000, and that means what? That means I incurred a loss of 50,000 rupees. Now that is what happens when I deal in the spot market or in the delivery market. Now, instead of buying the TCS, what I can do, I can buy a call option. I can purchase a call option in TCS. Meaning what? Meaning I will purchase a call option to purchase 100 shares of TCS, let's say 1 month down the line, at the rate of 3,000, and for this I will have to pay a premium, and that premium, let's say, is rupee 5 per share, and that means for 100 shares I will have to pay a premium of 500 rupees. So what I have done, I have purchased a call option in TCS to purchase 100 share at the rate of rupees 3,000, and for that I have paid a premium at the rate of rupees 5. For 100 shares, my premium amount comes to 500. Now please understand, what is my cash outflow here? My cash outflow here is just 500 rupees in the form of the premium. That is only my cash outflow, unlike the previous situation where my cash outflow was 300,000 rupees. 300,000 rupees. सो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने ये कॉल ऑप्शन परचेज किया TCS में, और 100 शेयर का कॉल ऑप्शन परचेज किया 3,000 की रेट से। अब जैसे मैंने सोचा वैसा ही हुआ, 1 महीने के अंदर TCS 3,500 हो गया, 3,500 हो गया। तो अब मैं क्या करूँगा? तो ऑब्वियसली आई हैव एन ऑप्शन, एंड TCS become 3,500. So what I will do, I will exercise my option. I will exercise my option. That means I will tell the seller of the option that here, I have this. You have sold me this option contract, call option. So please give me delivery of TCS at the rate of 3,000. So remember, I take the delivery from the option seller at the rate of 3,000, and I am able to sell the same 100 shares on the same day at the rate of rupees 3,500, and thereby I make a profit of 50,000 rupees. And please remember, what was my investment? My only outflow was just 500 rupees. So 500 रुपए का खर्चा करके मैंने 50,000 का प्रॉफिट कमाया, and that is because I purchased a call option. Now, what happens if my view turns out to be wrong? That means जो मैंने सोचा था कि TCS ऊपर जाएगा, वो ऊपर जाने के अलावा अगर नीचे आ गया, सो समझो एक महीने के बाद में जो मैंने सोचा था कि TCS ऊपर जाएगा, वो ऊपर नहीं गया, बल्कि वो नीचे आ गया, और नीचे आके वो 2,500 हो गया, 2,500 हो गया. So what is my risk? What is my loss? My risk and my loss is nothing. Meaning what? Meaning if the TCS has come down to 2,500, remember, remember, I only have a right to purchase, and I do not have an obligation to purchase. So अगर ये घट के 2,500 हो गया है, तो फिर मैं क्या करूँगा? मैं कुछ भी नहीं करूँगा. I will let the call option expire. My only loss will be the 500 rupees of the premium that I have paid, and that's it. But if the TCS would have gone, my profit would have been, my payoff would have been 50,000 rupees. So that is one way, and that is how we use the call option. So if you have understood as to this use of the call option, please tell me, and then we will also understand as to how the call options are used.